Colton, if you don't mind diving into this a little bit, people will ask me sometimes, the property is not like buyers will say, when do we get access to the home? When do we get keys? And I say, not till it records. And then their next question is, what's recording? What? And I say, well, it's when ownership with this county isn't confirmed. Now you're now the new owner. But what do you do as a title company? What does recording mean to you? Like, do you go onto a website and hit a button on the county's website? What does that look like?
So we use Simplifile.
Okay.
Which Simplifile is an electronic recording software.
Okay.
So we submit our documents directly to the county recorder from that software.
Okay.
And they create an electronic recording.
Got it.
So what that means is we're recording your warranty deed,
okay,
or your special warranty deed or your quitclaim deed, however you're taking title to the property.
Yep.
And that's how we're going to track and transfer the property to the new buyer.
Cool.
A deed of trust is what we're going to record if we're creating a new loan for somebody.
Okay.
To create a new lien position for whoever the lien holder is.
Got it.
And those are all going to get submitted electronically to the county, and
okay,
it usually takes anywhere from about 5 minutes to, it could take up to an hour and a half, depending on how busy the county recorder is.
Got it.
So sometimes it happens fast, sometimes it happens a little slower, sometimes it happens a lot slower. It really just depends on the kind of day that the county recorder is having.
Got it. And then do you get a notification once it records?
Yeah, once it records, we get a notification. We call all the parties that are involved, such as the real estate agent, the
yep,
loan officers, the buyers, anybody else that might be involved,
yep,
just so that we can get that information to them so that they can start moving into their new home.
Nice, nice. Just out of curiosity, because this recording process back in the day was done in person.
Yeah, so
right?
they used to have to run down all their. They had a specified runner.
Yes.
They used to run down to the title or to the county recorder's office 3, 4, 5 times a day, depending on the day.
Yeah.
And physically get those documents recorded. So it's a lot easier process now. But just like with wire fraud, with that comes different. With more technology comes different risks, right?
Right. Right.
So power could go out. We still have to run down there and get them recorded.
Got it.
We still have the ability to do that, but it makes it simpler now that we can electronically do it just over the phone or over email or however it is that they do that.
Excellent. Excellent. Very cool.